Here we go, walking up again, guys. Oh, lordy. This trail did say strenuous, so. But it ain't been that bad. It hasn't been that bad. But just listen to the sounds out here, guys. Oh, Lord. Here's another turn.
This is what we keep getting.
I wish the camera could show that. Let me put it down. Maybe like this. You guys see that? And straight up. I mean, we went all the way up this mountain.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
so close to the top.
I would love to see some deer, but I know we're being too loud talking to each other. Having conversations going up the hill. But having a good time, guys. Getting some really good exercise. Seeing some beautiful scenery. Hearing the crows make the weirdest sounds I've ever heard. All right, we'll check back in with you a little bit. A little bit. All right, guys, we're getting close to the top and come out to this little outcropping here. It's like an old bench right here and a little scenic view of those crows we were hearing. Oh, check it out. Be careful, Sweet Pea. Oh, yes, it's awesome. Please don't go over the edge. Oh, this is great.
Hey, is that where we hiked last time?
Hanging Rock. Yeah, that's probably it. It sure is. I think, yep. I believe you're right, babe. Let's see if I can get a little closer to that, guys, where you can see it. Through the rocks here, the trees. There we go. I don't know if you can come right here and you can zoom in, probably. Really good.
I was just trying to be careful where I went.
You know what? I think I can get down right there. Yep, there's a trail going down right here, babe. Check it out. Be careful, please. Check this out, guys. This is going to be so awesome. Yes. I'm so excited about this. I'm glad we stopped at this little outcropping. Oh, yeah.
Be careful.
Look at this, huh?
Where's that the rock?
Oh, check this out, guys. Oh, yeah. Check it out. There's even another little outcropping right over there, but look.
I don't care about that one.
I think that's where we were last time, maybe. Yeah, because there's that dead tree from the trail. That's where he was on top of it, looking down, I do believe. I'm thinking, correct me if I'm wrong, guys. A lot of people looking can probably see if that's, it might be and it might not, I'm not sure. That might be Hanging Rock Trail. That is awesome, guys. This is our view right here. Almost get you like little butterflies in your stomach being up this high. Golly Moses. This is awesome, guys. Plumb cool. That's what it's all about right there, guys. Whew. That is what it's all about. Check that out, guys. Oh my Lord. Love it. I think I'm gonna sit right here just for a few minutes. There's them birds again. Take a seat right here and just chill out for a minute and enjoy this. Now right here on top of this rock, guys, it is cool. Listen to these crows, guys. Look. Listen to that sound.
Wait, what is it? The Panner.
Oh yes, awesome.
I didn't see
That bird just flew right in front of us, guys. Like just a few feet, 3 feet right in front of us. Yeah, this is awesome. I'm glad we did this. Do a little stretch and stretch, and we'll sit here for a second and enjoy this view. We'll get back with you in a second.
This is more Wall Loop Trail, 2.6.
That's what we're on, is the more wall.
I'm assuming we got 2.6 miles to go that way.
Yeah.
And it says Lake Park in 1.8 miles right there.
Yep. Unless we go back down the way we came, but. All right, here we go, guys. We're over here at the lookout tower, getting ready to make it to the very top here. Let's see if we can do it. We're going. All we've been doing is going up, up, up.
Wait.
Balanced rock.
Let's go there first. Check it out.
Okay, we're gonna go check out Balanced Rock.
I was wondering what that was. I don't know where you go.
Right there it is, Balanced Rock.
I think you can go down some, but whew. You have to be very careful.
It might go around, I don't know. You probably go through there too. You going through there?
I like to come in on the inside.
It might. Oh, we're in a cave, guys. Get it, wifey camper.
Why you can't work out? Yeah, if you make it through.
See if we can make it through here with these backpacks on.
That was the thing.
That's a neck. Oh, I think I might have it, guys. Whew, Lordy mercy. Oh, yeah. Jeez. Oh, could have went around right here. Could have went around right there, but we took the hard way. You see it?
Yes. That's the way I was going out.
That's where we just was. Went through there, guys. Tight squeeze. I probably cut something. I messed up my backpack anyway.
Not that I see.
Cool. Balanced rock, guys.
We went around it.
We went through it. Might have to walk straight right here. Oh, there we go. Well, we just went through there, guys. Awesome. I'm ready to go check out this tower. And then we'll have some dinner.
Yes.
For sure. Oh, that's fun. Guys, you just do not know how much fun it is. Anybody that lives close to a local state park or something like that, get out there and try it out. Just try a small trail. Just throw some water in a backpack or around your waist. Tie a string to it, whatever. Oh, I see it up there. And just go. Go by yourself, go with a friend. It is a lot of fun. Good exercise, especially with the weather like this. And I'm rambling on again. Here we go.